Hello?
Yes.
Which one? Let me take the snap of it so that I can send it to the group. This is very important to understand. This question is a little bit tricky. That's why I'm taking the snap. Just a minute. Yeah, what is the next question you did on evaporation? Can you check?
Yes, sir. Please wait.
Today is 13. 13 image 1. Yeah, 22. Monica? Hello, Monica.
Yes, sir.
Grade 22.
Some of the liquid in a dish evaporates as shown in the diagrams. Which molecules leave the liquid and which molecules in the liquid have greater average kinetic energy?
Yeah, this is another tricky question. Please think of this one.
A.
Before evaporation, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, before evaporation.
I said A.
Yes, correct, correct. Your answer is correct. Thank you so much. Can you explain how? Can you explain, please, how, Monica? How your answer is A? Hello.
More um, average, the greater average kinetic energy rises up. Or something.
Wait, wait. In our class, we have Batman been Superman. What's that? Who is that? Anyone knows Batman been Superman? Mahe? Mahe's microphone is not working. That is another problem. So we better to remove it. Yeah, it's gone. Yeah, now you say, yeah. So, Monica,
Um, the energetic um, molecules leaves the surface as
that have high energy, right? Because more energetic molecules leave the surface, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why the first part high energy. Then second part,
After the evaporation, the less energy is
yes, yes. So after
right.
the evaporation, we get the remaining liquids. Those are having less temperature, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's why we are not taking B. We are having before evaporation the molecules at the surface of the liquid. Those are more energetic. They have greater average kinetic energy. That's why they are leaving. Okay, so the answer is A, right? Yeah. Then let us check. Is there a more? 24,
Sir, there are
right?
three more questions.
Hmm? Sorry?
There are three more questions on this topic. I mean,
Okay.
on evaporation.
Yeah, regarding evaporation. Which are those three?
24, 26, and 30.
24, 26, and 30. So you tried all of them, right?
Yes.
Yes. So 24, what is the answer you got?
I'm a little confused in this one.
Okay, then you read.
Water is poured into four dishes. In two, water has a small surface area. In the other, it has large surface area. The water in two of the dishes is cool, and the water in the other two is warm. From which dish does the water evaporate the quickest? I'm sorry, I'm confused in this one. Uh, the question a bit.
Sir, I think it's A.
Hmm. You are thinking A.
I
Why?
think the answer is A
Why?
because
Why you are thinking
larger
it's
surface
A?
area causes more evaporation.
If it is cool, there will be more evaporation.
No, larger surface area causes more evaporation.
And temperature should be
Increased.
temperature. If the temperature is more, then there will be more evaporation, right?
Yes, sir.
So, what do you think? Still, your answer is A,
It's
or you will
B.
change it?
B.
Bangladesh. So, Adrita,
Yes, sir.
Adrita,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
your confusion is gone or it's still there?
Is gone. I thought that the paragraph was really relevant to the answer, but now I see it's just supposed to confuse.
Okay, so it should be
It should
Bangladesh,
be
right?
B. Yes.
So you got it. You have another class, right?
Yes, sir.
So you want to leave.
Yes.
Best of luck. You see the recordings, huh? I'll upload.
Okay, sir.
Inshallah. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum, Allah Hafiz.
Yes. Walaikum salam. Another one is 26. Yeah. Farabi, read 26. Farabi.
Why a person climb out of a warm swimming pool on a hot summer day, he feels cold. Why does this happen? The air has a high specific heat capacity. The air is a better conductor of heat than water. The water droplets increase the surface area. The water takes heat from his body to evaporate.
So what is your answer?
Sir, is it D?
Yes. Very easy, right? We
Yes, sir.
we have this explanation where we gave the idea of evaporation causes cooling, right?
Yes, sir.
There we got the idea that for evaporation, even today we had the recalling of this idea. Adrita explained it at the beginning of the class, right? She repeated. So the surrounding objects or surrounding atmosphere that become cold, right? Why?
Yes.
Because the energy required to turn the state from liquid to vapor, that's taken from there, right? So the person feels cold because his skin is losing heat. The water evaporates from his body. It requires some energy that's taken from the person's body, right? That's why he feels cold. Parabi, you understood?
Yes.
Okay. And then we have 30. Yeah, continue 30. Parabi.
The more energetic molecules in a liquid may escape from its top surface. What is this process called?
Yeah, what is this process called? Parabi, what is this process? The molecules escape from its top surface. More energetic
Sir,
molecules. Which one?
D.
Evaporation. Yeah, very simple, right? It
Yes,
is
sir.
very simple. Monica, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So,
what's Brownian motion?
actually, Brownian motion is something related to the um, movement of the water molecules or liquid molecules, gas molecules, how they are moving in the liquid or how they are moving in the gas. Robert Brown is a scientist. He observed it with one experiment. He gave pollen grains inside the liquid, and he observed, and then he gave light in the liquid, and through the microscope he found that the pollen grains are bombarded or collided with the liquid molecules. That means their movement was random, and from there he understood that the liquid molecules they slide over each other and they move randomly within the liquid. That's called Brownian motion. You understood it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
And it's actually not in your syllabus. That's in IGCSE syllabus, this Brownian motion. That's why we did not discuss it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, and also the similar experiment he did in um, gas particles using the smoke. In a container, he kept the gas inside the gas molecules. He kept the smoke, dust, and there he got the also uh, through the microscope he got the colliding of the smoke particles with the air particles, and then he found their path, how they are moving. That is also Brownian motion. Okay, so he did
Okay, sir.
both the experiments in liquid and gas. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah. Now we get some more questions here in the evaporation in the structured part. You have a try, huh? Whatever is already done in our class discussion till yeah, till our last class, you please go through, huh? and check. You can try some more from the structured part as well. Now we are doing a little thing today, that is boiling. Hmm. Boiling definition you did not get, and boiling point, though you did not get, I think you all understand what is called boiling, right? And you also understand what is called boiling point. Since you understood melting, you also understand boiling. Only the difference is boiling it happens, liquid turns to gas or liquid turns to vapor at a certain temperature, isn't it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So you write it. I'm also giving you the idea. You write the heading today. Topic 11 and 12. Today is 13, 3, 21. Boiling. The process in which liquid turns to vapor or gas on heating. Huh? On heating means we need external heat. In boiling, we need external heat. Huh? On heating at a constant temperature. Please write, everyone.
Yes, sir, done.
So here we see different kinds of alcohol are there. So like methyl alcohol, that one is 66 degrees Celsius, and water, you know, that is 100 degrees Celsius. And we take another one, that is mercury. Mercury has 357 degrees Celsius. So we write them also. We write three of them. One is water. Water has boiling point, that is 100 degrees Celsius. Then methyl alcohol.
Sir, I think basic alcohol has a boiling point of 78 degrees Celsius.
Yeah, that one actually we have different kinds of alcohol. So we write here methyl alcohol, that is used in wood, wood alcohol.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that is how much we got that one? Can you remember?
66.
Yeah, 66 degrees Celsius. We have methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol also, right? So here we are using wood alcohol, methyl alcohol, and we just got mercury one. What is the boiling point of mercury? Can you remember?
Sir, 370 something.
376, is it? Or 357?
57.
357. You see, we just saw it, but we forgot. 357. 357 degree Celsius. So you just have the idea that different liquids have different boiling point, right?
Yes, sir.
So in our next class, we will continue more, right? Boiling point is done, then we have latent heat and specific latent heat. That one we'll discuss in our next class. Till then, you try as much as possible, whatever you have. The
Okay, sir.
information you have already, the notes you have already, using them, you try more MCQs and structured questions. Okay,
Yes,
have you
sir.
tried?
I actually wanted to share a problem.
What?
I have a problem, sir.
What problem?
Sir, I can't print the PDFs of the worksheets from directly from the Google Classroom.
So there is one way you can have it download, then you send it to your
Hmm.
dad's email, then he will get it printed from outside. Or
Okay.
if you have the printer at your home, then you can send it to your email, then get it print
Yes, sir.
from there. It's
Okay,
very
sir.
easy. Or you get it, stored in your G drive. Okay, that is permanent.
Okay.
You have Gmail, right? So you have the Google Drive also.
Yes.
So get it,
Okay, sir.
you stored over there and get it printed from there. No problem.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you so much.